to the varied and challenging tasks of the presidency. It's been a great privilege and pleasure to work so closely with them. The responsibilities of a judge are onerous and require an exceptionally strong personal commitment. This is embodied in the solemn undertaking which we all make. As existing and new judges, we will all work together to reinforce the rule of law and continue to develop a system of international criminal justice of which the ICC and its states parties can be proud. In doing so, we will always remember the countless people around the world, especially the victims and vulnerable, who look to this court with hope and expectation for better, more just future.
Ngayon ang interim release ni PRRD sa ICC at ang nangyari ibang bansa ang kakanlong sa kanya. Kasi ang admin natin ngayon ay tiyak na mapapahiya kung kukunin nilang muli si PRRD. Nakita nyo na gaano kawalang kwenta ang BBM admin. Tangina yung dinanas nila noon sa mga Aquino, ginawa din nila kay PRRD. Ngayon napagtanto ko na talaga. Lahat ng tinuturo sa amin noon tungkol sa mga Marcos at Aquino ay mga walang kwenta. Parehong bulok lang din pala, sa totoo lang. Anyway, makikita din naman natin si PRRD sa mga live stream. Kaya abangan natin yan. Sa nangyaring ito, nakapuntos naman tayo. At sa bansang kakanlong kay PRRD, alagaan nyo yan. Ibabalik pa namin yan sa national position.